Okay, now I think I'm live. Only an hour late. It's all good. I think I can find this. All right. Got some weirdness going on here. Sorry, I'm not very chatty today. I'm stuck on an issue, and I can't seem to figure my way around it. So I'm trying to get this texture reader, and apparently in the Vision there's a computer vision scripts, there's a texture reader API. Namespace Google AR Core texture reader. So I wonder if there's a really simple way to just get this. Because I need to somehow, so that's the texture reader API. Here's the texture reader. I need to somehow pull that out because I need to get the current frame that it's rendering, and I don't know how I'm going to do that. Whoops, sorry. Trying to pop open my chat here and accidentally got some double chat going. All right. Time to renew my hosting package. I'll do that later. Okay. So we've got this texture reader class. And so I wonder if we go in here. So let's pop this right open. And so it's going 1920 by 1080 by default. So I probably don't need to set those values initially. So I've got that. So we're going to go 1920 by 1080 here. So there should be a delegate that calls back from this, but okay, let's see how it's used in the actual project here, because I'm not entirely sure I get what they're going for. So what triggers the texture reader? Okay, so let's go back to my scene. I'm going to add that texture reader to... we got our easy save manager, directional light canvas. So we're going to add that texture reader. 1920, cover full viewport, image format color. Okay, good. So, and then on the capper controller, we're just going to grab that. So can we just add that to our namespace? Yeah, that's not right. Okay, there we go. So let's just comment that out for the moment. Cover full viewport, image format color. So basically all I want to do is take a picture and have that picture be left in midair. I've seen other people do it, so I know it's possible. I'm just not entirely sure how. And that is what we're working through. Okay, so apply. We don't want apply. We want something like... Okay, so what's the controller in that other one called? Let's go back to that Google AR Core examples, computer vision scenes, computer vision. Okay, so let's see how they're calling it. Okay, so we don't want to grab that one we want to do this once, right at the very beginning. So let's pull that up here and we'll go on start. And then we'll add a handler just like they did here. Was it here? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want. So okay, now we can get rid of this portion of the code. Edge image, so we just need these guys mostly, and we'll pull those into our controller. And we can get rid of that. New byte width times height, we don't need that. Oh, maybe we do need that edge image. Yeah, we do. Okay. Okay, so no edge detected. Okay, so we're not going to do that. And we're going to pull this whole try-catch out of here now, and we're going to plop it right into this. So we don't need this texture 2D anymore because we're using this one. Okay. Wow, so that was interesting. So what we need to do is, on the computer vision controller, update, handle touch input. So what is actually calling that? Background renderer, background material, set float. Huh. So I don't actually know what's... So the next question is, what's calling that renderer? Because I need to know how to... So I feel like it's just updating the image constantly. So instead of doing all of this try catch stuff, let's just change that here to this. There we go. Here we go. So we're going to get rid of this from here because this is just constantly updating, it looks like. So if our touch here... Okay, I seem to have gotten lost here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back a bit. A lot. Okay. So we're going to fix all this up here. And in here, we just need to put that. And then after this, try catch. We need to put another one of these. And let's see where this one goes. Okay, so that's just every update. Okay, good. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, because if it makes it to here, it's because it didn't bust out here. So we don't need to do those. So we'll get rid of that. Okay. Other than... Let's get rid of our toast messages here. Good. Okay, so back to our main scene. We'll just check to see if there's any breaking bugs here. It doesn't look like it. I will find my... Huh. Hey, gamer, how's it going? So you got this today. Ba, ba, ba. That's my passport, ready to go to the US of A next week. Leaving on Sunday. All right. So yeah, just I'm just building a little. So this is a work-related thing. Oh man. My coworker David's still feeling pretty bad. He better get healthy before GDC. All right, so building. I'm looking for my. I've got a cord that I need to. Ah, there it is. The cord of doom. Sorry, my son's been saying that a lot lately. Of doom. Everything's of doom or evil. Alright, so now that I've done that, we're just going to pop over to the old... and I'm going to side load this app. Capper. Capper. Okay. Hopefully this works. And I'm going to see if I can get my side sync working so you can actually see. Maybe we can mirror the screen. Good. Did it install? Yep.
So you've done as much booking as you need to do?
There it is. Tracking is enabled, so I should be able to double tap. Oh, do I have to double tap on the screen? I probably do. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh, you know why? I'm not smart. I am not smart. Okay, so let's go from the bottom here, or from the bottom here, or from the side here, or something. Come on, you. There we go. Okay, so I need to just close that off so I can update it. Close it. There we go. No, Capper. There we go. All right. Close off all my apps. Okay, so my problem is my double tap delay is set to 0, which means I have to tap faster than 0. Last tap AR cam. Image quad prefab also isn't set, so I need to set that. Cool. Cover prefabs. So because I moved everything into the controller, I need to set that. Okay, good. Let's rebuild and retest. Okay. Digging the music. Okay, let's sideload that again. Success.
Well, there you go.
Success. Come on, Android. Success.
Access figured out.
Ah, success. There it is.
Well, I always say that. Everybody else doesn't seem to give too much thought to time away or travel costs or whatever, but you do.
Do I have to use the mouse? Oh, there, it saved one. Oh, it's still coming up black. Why are you still coming up black? Huh. Well, that's not a very good example. Whoops, I didn't mean to close that. Okay, so there's our rendered image. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's set that out a little ways, and we're just going to leave it in space just to see how it renders by itself with an image already on it. Oh, not like that though.
Two of your siblings.
Okay, that looks good.
I'm going to say all three of your siblings got that figured out here.
So in theory, it should render just randomly in space based on where I first start.
Yeah, you sweat things that they obviously don't. Anyway, I've got a 10 o'clock call coming in. I've got a 10 o'clock call.
Apparently I have a demo today and I need to figure out what that is.
And you probably called me to wish me happy birthday.
While that's building, let's figure out what I'm actually supposed to be doing today. Probably wise.
Yeah. And I called you back. Oh, I see.
Oh, it's a builder. We're good. It's good. I can prep over lunch. All right.
Alright, well that's nice.
What window do I need? I need this one. Now I need this one.
No, of course not. That's right.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's working, that one. It started black,
I think we were going
but
to
then
be
it,
having
so
some
what happens if I,
Symphony Orchestra is doing YouTube. Nobody. I'm kidding. Yeah, I know.
So it saved cap 35. Which means I've done this test 35 times and still have not got it to function.
I said, well, I'm thinking I could go see the ESO do YouTube. Oh, that sounds good, sure. So, yeah, I'll yeah, it's kind of funny, you know, it feels a little, yeah, you feel a little dirty that you're planning your own special evening.
Okay,
Sometimes
so
you take the ball in your own hands. Anyway, this
texture
is
to
my call,
render.
so you gotta go.
New floating image renderer material main texture equals texture render.
Hi, this is Mike speaking. Beverly, how are you? I'm super fast, particularly pleased.
What's the difference between the material and the shared material and like r dot materials 0 dot main texture equals? All right, let's just set everything. We're gonna set everything. Shotgun approach. Well, shotgun bang. What's up with that thing? I wanna know, how does it hang?
Let's say you could end bad, but we'll never know.
Ow.
No, it's kind of a birthday cluster. My son turned 18 yesterday. Yeah. So and he plays video. Yeah.
Progress bars are not my very favorite thing. Progress bars. Progress bars, not my very thing. Can't sing, can't make up songs, can't program. Oh man, today's going great. Okay, so.
It's the same thing, like, you know, if your birthday is...
There you are, come on, success. Waiting for that message. There we go.
So thanks for,
Tracking is enabled. No, it's just black.
Yeah, no, I did. I was there for the Friday evening meetings, and
To the Googles. So this rendered image is using the same AR core diffuse with Okay, so let's just try something. On the controller, my brain's not working. Okay, so I don't know why this one works, and then this one, which is the same thing. Nope, not that one. That's materials. So this one here, which is that thing, comes up black for a minute. Then it does the light estimation.
Yeah.
But then it works. Like, this one works, and I don't know why the other texture doesn't. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I wonder if there's a way to see what images have been saved on my device, but they're not saving them to the camera roll, which is where it could be. That's shifty. Where's S8? There we go. Let's see where Capper's keeping its data. There we go. 10:02 a.m.
But it's starting to get traction, and people are starting to realize that those platforms are going to.
Let's take a sampling of these guys. Make sure we get. There we go. And I'm going to move those into a temp folder on the desktop. Hey, new folder. Cap files.
And of course, as well, I end up some clients that are
There we go. And let's just see, out of curiosity, if we change one of these to a JPEG, if it's going to work. What's it say it is? A ping. Okay, so let's see what happens if we make it a ping. Ping! Get me the machine that goes ping!
So, and yeah.
So this one's actually a 1920 by 1080, it looks like. Well, our first one, okay, so our first one was actually saving the image properly. However, that was back when it was killing the camera. So let me just have a look at the size of these files again. Yeah, so it looks like these first 12 were working, and then everything after that Okay, so if I delete that file, it will revert. Good. What's all this? Analytics. Ah, okay. That's my Unity Analytics. So that's fine. I can leave that file in there. So, what is wrong with you, program? Alright, so... So here it's, so we've got, what's this background renderer? So that's just setting that to the texture to render. Am I saving the right thing? Maybe I'm not saving the right thing. Or it's just not rendering. There's so many issues, potential issues here.
A lot of it's lead gen, right? A lot of it's understanding how to
Load raw texture data, edge image. This is weird that it's rendering black all the time. Like, I wonder if on the double tap I need to...
in terms of the content, is that kind of what you're...
do something, like if there's something I need to call to invoke it, like there is an invoke, but I don't think that's what I actually need here.
And do you find that is best
No,
suited to
that's a general invoke, and my brain is not functioning.
establish, but have dedicated manpower to doing that? Because in the cases that I've encountered with some of the small businesses that they're not.
So it has all of the standard things. Cover.
Month to month, and that's they have a budget for that. Our training, if they want to move forward, we have like that part-time person that we have here. And explain to me a little bit about your concept of white label.
Okay, so let's put that in start, because it looks like we're not initializing something here.
Excellent. And I'm when I look at your happy
We'll throw those below the other stuff here. This is getting so messy. I'm not coding at the... Alright, and command type is from what?
his brother Mark.
Texture reader.
Yeah, he's kind of a man. He's
second.
So when we do white label work, you build your current agency support
All right, guys, I'm going to go offline because this is boring to watch because I am struggling with this issue. So catch you tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have more working at that point.
You're always boring to watch.
I am always boring to watch.